Hope you all are doing good. In today's session, I am going to teach you few yoga asanas which will help you in day-to-day life. Usually we end up whole day either sitting on chair because of office work and studies or standing in kitchen. So it leads to tiredness in our body, lot of strain, tiredness, inactiveness. So let's learn few set of asanas that will keep you active throughout the day. Let's get started. So first asana is Purni Titli Asana, full butterfly pose. How to do it? First you need to stretch your leg forward. Now bring both the feet together in such a way that the sole of the feet should be touching the perineum if possible. If it doesn't touch, it's okay, do not strain. Then interlock your finger and hold the feet. And keeping your spine straight, you need to lift up your knee and then bring your knee down on the floor. Slowly and gradually you can do it for a few rounds and then increase the pace. And you can practice like this for 30 times, keeping your breath natural. And once you are done, you can just release the posture, bringing both the knees together and stretching your leg forward. Purni Titli Asana is very good for relieving tiredness from your leg, lower back, and also creates a very positive effect on the inner thighs. Now, next practice is for the upper part of the body called as Skandha Chakra, shoulder rotation. For that, we need to stretch our arms forward. We'll place the fingertips gently on the shoulder. Bring both the elbows together. Now we will lift the elbow up, touching our ears, and then bringing elbow back and then down, touching the sides of the body, and then forward. Again, inhale, lift your elbow up, going back, and then start exhaling as you bring your elbow down. So you can practice this for around 5 to 6 rounds clockwise, and once you are done clockwise, then move anti-clockwise. Same way, inhalation on upward movement, exhalation on downward movement. And once you are done, you can release the posture, stretching your arms and placing your palm on the knee. Skandha Chakra, shoulder rotation, is very good, especially for relieving the stiffness from shoulder and neck areas, which is caused due to prolonged sitting and standing, working because of that. Now next, we will move on to Pada Chakra Asana, leg rotation pose. I will show how to do. For that you need to lie down on your back. You can adjust your body, your cloth, lie down. And now bring both the feet together, palms down close to the body. Slightly lift your right leg up, about 5 centimeters off the floor. Then bring it to the right side, down and left, and then upward. Inhale as you move up, exhale as you move down, making a perfect circle. Once you are done clockwise, then you can move on to anti-clockwise from left to right. So you can practice this for around 5 to 6 rounds clockwise and then anti-clockwise from right side. Once you are done from the right leg, same way you can do from the left leg. And once you are done, you can just bend your left knee, bring your right arm above on the floor, and turn to your right side to get up from Shavasana. Pada Chakra Asana is very good, especially for your digestive system, people suffering from acidity issue, and also relieves constipation. Hope you practice all these asanas on regular basis. Thank you.